Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can hide Instagram app notifications on the lock screen of your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes under this video and write your comments. So, let us get started with you. And I'm going to show you everything step by step. So friends, if you have such a situation that you would like to hide notifications in the Instagram app so that no one can see what kind of comments Instagram posts are being written to you, regardless of who would be able to see it, then do it very easily. First of all, open the settings on your devices. Then scroll down to the bottom and find the apps option. And from there, scroll down and find Instagram. Click on it, then select the notifications option. Now you will have to find the preview option. Click on it, and you will need to select the never option. So when your phone is locked, then you will just get a notification on the lock screen that you have some notification from Instagram just arrived, but without any details. That is, it won't say who wrote to you or who gave you a like or who replied to our story, for example. And to see the details of the notification from Instagram will only be able to you personally when you unlock your phone. And the same thing, friends, you can do right from the settings of your iPhone. To do so, you'll need to open the settings. Next, swipe down, find Notifications. And while swiping through the Notifications option, tap on Instagram. Same thing, select Preview and select Never. Just these are two methods of the same result, how you can hide Instagram notifications on your lock screen, and you choose the method that just will be more convenient for you. Friends, I hope this video helped you. You saw how you can hide Instagram notifications on your lock screen. Please don't forget, friends, put your likes, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.